Hello everyone, I'm Gregg Coleman and today is Monday, December 14th. And we're going to talk about the weather just a little bit. Last week we used our really it's not famous, but fancy map. This week we've made it fancy and even added the Great Lakes, if you can believe that's what those little things are up there. But we talked about a big blizzard coming right across the middle of the country last week, and by golly it did. It snowed a lot, really up here in the northern Midwest. They had like a foot and a half snow, but the big thing was it was really cold and the wind was blowing like crazy. Even up on the east, not on the coast, but interior northeast, they got a good bit of snow before it turned over to thunderstorms coming through, which was really kind of interesting, but a very dynamic pattern. This week, and we also talked about the Appalachians right down through here. We'll draw them on here right quick for you. The mountain chain, the mountain chain comes down in this area. When high pressure builds in here, a lot of times it'll blow that cold air down on the east side of Appalachians, called cold air damming. And we had some of that last week, and we talked about a storm that might be kind of interesting with that cold air in place. And as it turned out, Saturday here in Travelers Rest was a cold day. It was Christmas parade day. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time, and it felt like Christmas. It was cold, gray skies, definitely looked like winter. But it turned out it was a little bit of sleet and then mostly just rain thereafter. All right, this week. Today it's gray outside still. Kind of cool. It's supposed to warm up today. I think originally meteorologists were calling for highs in the 60s. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm thinking it might get in the 50s. I think right now it's in the low to mid 40s out here. So anyway, today's a bit of a transition. Today and tomorrow we're going to have a little bit of rain down south, Gulf Coast. Be forming a little bit of rain. Probably most of it will move south of us. We'll probably have maybe have a few showers overnight tonight and in the morning tomorrow. Then after that, it'll be pretty nice weather. There's going to be some of this, by the way, up here in Canada, the low, I think it was yesterday morning, I think it was Edmonton, Canada, right down, minus 51 degrees, if you can believe that. And so there's a lot of cold air built up here. Some of it's going to come down. It'll be colder here. It's not going to be, bitterly cold by any stretch, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be very nice days, really. Kind of cold at night. Daytime, not bad, 40s, 50s. We're starting, though, we kept talking about the pattern beginning to change. More cold air coming in, which it is. And I'm going to talk about this real quickly. What we're looking for those of you like me that might be snow lovers and want a white Christmas, we need somewhere up here off the map a Greenland block. And that's a big high pressure that would build up here and just block systems from coming. It's kind of like a rock in a river or a stream when you have the water coming by and you see those eddies that come back around. That's the same kind of thing. It blocks up here, forces the cold air to come back down into the United States and forms what's called a trough, or where it dips down into this part of the country. So I think we're going to see more of that coming up. There's a system that computer models are kind of all over the place with that is going to come through probably Saturday, Sunday to our area. And right now it looks like it might be nothing. Some of them are showing precipitation. I don't know, but we're in that pattern where watch out, because either this weekend or certainly next week, boy, a white Christmas, wouldn't that be something? But at least there's hope right now. And when we run out of hope, I'll let you know. Hopefully we don't run out of hope. But anyway, that's the weather this week. It's going to be maybe showery tonight, mostly dry the rest of the week, and then a question mark for the weekend. Don't forget, we got a lot of good specials going on here at Gregg Coleman Ford. We always have the worry-free guarantee. We're going to provide all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Make you feel good about buying from us. And we got some specials. Check them out on the website. Brandon puts them up, I think, every day, certainly every week. And there's some really good ones on there right now. So look us up, and I'll see you next time.